Today we're going to try to fix the PS4 wireless remote. That's for my son. Joystick isn't working. Yesterday I spilled water on it. So it shows 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Open that. I've opened one before, PS3 one, but I don't know if it is the similar thing, but that was like ages ago. So these are 3 first screws. Try to open it with my hands so I don't damage anything. If not, then we'll use a flat screwdriver. Ouch. Normally I don't grow nails, but for this reason nail can be handy. So one side is opening a bit. Okay, it made a very funny sound, but I think this is my first time to open it. I see a ribbon here, ribbon flexi. Okay. Just gonna pause here to see how it can come out. It has a clip or something. Let's see. Just gonna pause it just to see closely, and then I'm gonna carry on just now. It wasn't that difficult. Sorry I couldn't capture it, but obviously when we're going to put it back, so then but I didn't wanna pull it out without looking at it, that if it has a clip or something. Normally they come with the clips, so it's not that difficult. You can just push it in back also and pull it out. So this part has only charging section, so that's basically the charging flexi that is connecting the bottom part. So I'm gonna put it away now. And then there is a battery. It has a normal jack. Underneath there is another flexi there. We see a screw here, so we put the battery away. Screw is out, and then this part is out. There's another flexi here, should also come out easy. Doesn't look like that it has a clip. Okay, yeah, so there we go, it's out. These two are those dual shocks, I think. Okay, see, I can see already some water here. That's the moisture. There we go. There is the water. So I spill some water on it. I'm gonna clean it and try not to do much with it, because this is like not my field, but obviously we can try, because we are in a lockdown and I can't take it to any friend to look at it. So there was basically thing that is not working. But I see the water here, so I'm just gonna clean it with the thinners or with methylated spirit, just to clean that shortage. So yeah, as I was saying, that if you could see, I don't know if it will be able to show, there's a shine there, that is water also. I can see physical water there, and both of them. uh, this came out easy, it wasn't that difficult. I pulled it out, so you see you can take it out, and this is all flexy, so be careful about it. And I'm gonna clean it now with this. If you see there, you can see the patches there, that's these two things. If you clean it with the finger, it will go away also, but I'm gonna use a thinner or some liquid because I don't have flux with me, and I'm gonna try to clean this also, and then give a little bit heat to evaporate it. I'm just gonna pause it and do all that. Okay, I cleaned it. If in case you wanna like work on this thing independently from out from the board, this opens. It's not that difficult, but remember, either you can take out the motors, these vibrating motors, or you can disconnect this with the soldering wire. So now I've cleaned it. You can see that those marks are gone. I used a little bit heat to, like, I did not have thinner or flux with me, so I had spirit, surgical spirit. I used it, I cleaned it, gave a little bit of heat. Now I'm gonna close it. The way we opened it, these are the other controls here on top, all of this pad. So just be careful when you're putting it back. You can see there is that those clips that goes into the holes. So that was about it. Now I'm going to close it and going to check it and then come back and tell you. Unfortunately, I cannot take the video camera on top to show you because the PlayStation is on in my kids' room. So I'm just gonna quickly close it first. This has to go back. Remember, there is a strip there. There was a tweezer here. Tweezer. Yeah, so we're going to put these. Dry stick. That strip has to go through it. Just pushed all the way. You can see that line. It should align with it. Then it's gonna make proper contact. Now this has to go here. Where's that screw? Battery has to go back. I'm gonna go and check it and then going to close it. I just want to make sure that it's working. Other than that, you just need to plug it, this strip back, and close it and put all the screws back, and then it's closed. But I'm just gonna make sure that it's working and then I'm going to close it. I hope you like the video. If there is any feedback, please let me know. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Have a nice tie.